Hey guys, it's Nick.
And Jess. And
Brady.
And
Baby.
Yay!
Brady and Bailey are joining us in the kitchen today. Obviously, you notice we're in a real live kitchen today.
Crazy.
We are home for the holidays. We're staying with Grandma, with Nick's mom.
No!
And so we're using her kitchen for today's video. My parents are crazy. Nick's mom, my parents are crazy. Home for the holiday. Crazy. Crazy. We are gonna make some no-bake Christmas treats that you guys can make in a small space on a dime with really no heat. We made sure to keep all of the recipes easy to make in an RV or at home or with littles.
Look at all this food we have for Christmas.
Wow! Say have fun on 3. 1, 2, nope, listen for 3. 1, 2, 3. Have fun! Look at the camera and say have fun. 1, 2, 3.
Have fun!
Nailed it.
We're using everything you see here to make 10 different kinds
Bailey,
of no-bake treats.
Count to 10.
1, 2.
Everyone on 3 say 10 no-bake treats.
10.
10 no-bake treats! Holiday treat dance.
I just can't wait to try them.
I
Me
can't wait to try
either. Okay. So today we're going to show you how to make Grinch Santas. And for that you're going to need bananas, grapes, strawberries, toothpicks, and mini marshmallows. This is a great recipe to make with minis. It's healthy. It also has some fun sweet stuff to it. It's very simple. We're going to start with bananas. And we're going to chop flat pieces about that thick. What is that? I don't know. As thick as that is. Okay, now we've got a few started. I also need to chop the green parts off of some of the strawberries. Everyone gets a grape. Everyone gets a strawberry. Don't eat it. Everyone needs 1 marshmallow. And everyone needs 1 toothpick. We have a green grape. We're gonna take our toothpick. Look, boys. We're gonna take the toothpick and we're gonna push it into the grape, but don't let it come out the bottom. Now take your banana and slide the very middle of it onto the grape. Does everyone see that? I took the middle of it and I slid it onto the grape. Did you do it? Good. Now do the same thing with the strawberry. Slide the middle of the strawberry down. And then take the little marshmallow and stick it on the very top. Wow, look at that, Grinch faces. Look, they're Grinch Santas. Cheers. Cheers, Grinch faces. Now we're going to make strawberry Santas. For strawberry Santas, you don't need very many ingredients. You need strawberries, icing, and mini chocolate chips. And cut off the green part, and then we're gonna cut the very top off. We want your strawberry cut into 2 parts, and you just pipe the icing onto your Santa. And if you have a bigger one, that works too. So after you put that layer on, doesn't have to be super fancy. You put this guy on here, and then you come back on top and give him a little flurry for the little top of his hat. Then you put 2 little chocolate pieces for his eyes. And then I'm gonna come back with a little circle one. Do you see the little circle?
Yeah.
This is what's gonna be the little dots, like buttons on his jacket. We're going to make hot chocolate stirring marshmallows. The first thing that you wanna do for the marshmallows is take a mini candy cane and just pop it into the top of the marshmallow. Once you've done that, you dip the bottom of it into your chocolate, and then you're just gonna pop it into the peppermints and then set it on the parchment paper to dry. So I am gonna show you how to make some animated bark. I don't know what I'm saying. It's so weird. Okay, I melted some.
Animated bark?
Yeah.
Are you making the snow monster?
Not yet. I'm gonna make some bark. Okay, so I'm using this little tin pan, and I separated it with tin foil so I can do half dark, half white chocolate. Really, I just want to have a layer of melted chocolate down at the bottom. Spread it out here. Okay, I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side with the white chocolate. Now, I've got my chocolate poured in, my white chocolate poured in. I'm gonna let it rest a minute and cool down a little bit. You're gonna need melted white chocolate, some Rolos, which are gluten-free. You may have one.
Yeah.
The stick pretzels, you're gonna need the twisty kind, red M&Ms or red Hots for the noses, some crushed peppermint, some mini candy canes, and orange sprinkles. Yes, I did pick those out individually. Some eye candies. Now I have chocolate in my pan. I'm just gonna give it a good shake. I'm gonna start with the chocolate side since it's my cooler side, and this is where I get to do the Rudolph. I'm just gonna break the pretzel until it looks like little antlers. I'm gonna do 2 little antlers. 1 antler there, 1 antler there. Then I'm gonna do 2 eyeballs. And then I'm gonna do a red hot on this one, but you can do an M&M. And really, that's your Rudolph. Look at this. Who do they look like?
Rudolph.
Rudolph!
Would you like to do one, Brady?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah? Okay.
Here, look.
So let me have it. I hurt my leg and I don't get any candy.
Oh my goodness.
I want to taste.
Wait, we're not, can you? Okay, we're gonna make hearts with the candy canes. There you go. Okay, now we're gonna sprinkle some crushed peppermint in the middle. Click.
Can I do this? And I'm doing the candy cane.
And let me show you how the first one goes. I need you to stop. Okay, now I'm gonna make a snowman in the white part. So I'm gonna use a Rolo as the top hat. Okay, can you hand me a napkin? I'm gonna take 2 eyes and I'm gonna put them in, and then I'm gonna take a little orange
Can I do it?
piece. Watch what I'm doing.
Can I have
Do
a little
one
bit?
arm over
Can I have a little
here,
bit of this?
and one
Can
arm,
I have a little bit of this?
yeah, baby, over there. And then I'm gonna take 3 red hots.
Frosty the snowman was a jolly, happy soul. He was made of snow, but the children know how he came to life one day.
Okay, the last set of our holiday no-bake treats is going to be our cookie pops. We're going to use cake pop or lollipop sticks, and the first step is super simple. You're just gonna pick a cookie, put the cake pop stick through the middle of it. I'm going to dip this into the chocolate.
Mommy, that is great. Can I help you?
Yes.
Yay!
Good job.
There you go.
Oh, you're such a big helper.
There you go.
Thank you.
Oh, Mommy, look.
Is it great?
Yeah. I'll get it back on. There you go.
Good job.
There you go, Mommy. I'll put it right there you want it.
If you have non-gluten-free cookies, probably
There you go.
Oh, thank you.
I'm good at this part.
You are good at this part. Thank you for all of your help. Okay, it's time for me to show you the different ways you can decorate these. We'll start off by showing you the Rudolph. We're gonna put little pretzels on, like little antlers. We're gonna do eyeballs and a little nose. We're gonna decorate this one like a sparkly ornament. I got some red and green M&Ms. On the white ones, we're gonna make Santa Claus heads. I'm gonna color the whole top like a hat. I'm gonna take an eye candy and I'm gonna turn it over to where it's just the white part. And I'm gonna put that here for the end of his hat. And then I'm gonna take 2 little eyeballs and make Santa eyes. And there's a Santa. Okay, so there you have it. We have tons of no-bake holiday treats here for you. Thank you so much for joining us here in my mother-in-law's kitchen while we're home for the holidays. If you like our content and our videos, please click subscribe, hit the bell so that you can be notified when we do our videos. And let us know with a little like, yeah, love your videos, gonna watch them all. Sound like Pokemon. Thank you so much for watching. Have a happy holiday season and a Merry Christmas, and enjoy those treats. Bye! Thanks for watching our video!